Today I am come back with new lesson, with new topic, which is drama written by William Shakespeare. The title of the drama is Midsummer Night Dream. It's pretty confusing because of subplots, but I try to make more simple to all of you. I hope you would like it and just begin. Start. Midsummer Night Dream, 1595-26, very famous drama written by William Shakespeare and widely performed still. Today is also very important and it is widely published everywhere. And the key facts are, it's a fantasy, romance, farce, comedy, and language is English as we know. And the full title is A Midsummer Night Dream. Author William Shakespeare, and the themes are magic, love, dream. In this drama, we can deal the theme of magic, how a magic can work, love between the couples, and dream they think about each other. And then characters. Theseus, the heroic dupe of Athens, engaged to Hippolyta, and Hippolyta, the legendary queen of the Amazons, engaged to Theseus. Alexander, a young man of Athens, in love with Hermia, and Demetrius, a young man of Athens, and then Hermia, Eugeus' daughter, a young woman of Athens. Helena, a young woman of Athens, and Puck, also known as Robin Goodfellow. And now we can begin. Plot summary of the play. This play has many subplots which revolve around the main plot. Story start with the preparation of the marriage of Theseus and Hippolyta, and Eugeus, a nobleman, come to the Theseus court with his daughter Hermia, and he wishes Hermia to marry Demetrius, but Hermia love with someone else whose name is Lysander. So he want to say that I want to get marry my daughter to someone else, but she loves to another man. So but Duke and her father decided that she has to marry with the person with whom he want, otherwise she have to be executed or she can get many punishment, because Hermia and Lysander have no option. So they just ran away in the wood. After entering the wood, they felt various twists and turns and problems. How? Let's see. But then run into the wood and there are the fairy king Oberon. So here in the wood, a fairy king Oberon is living with his wife Titania, his queen, and there's a Puck, is a servant of Oberon. Oberon sent him to spread the love potion, but he creates lots of misunderstanding. Therefore, because of this love potion, Lysander and Demetrius both see the first Helena and fall in love with her, and Hermia feel very jealous. But at the end of the play, Puck corrects all these mistakes. Duke Theseus came in forest and give them permission to marry each other. So here lots of confusion. Two couples are falling in love with each other, and Oberon and Titania, the fairy king and queen, they are also taking help of Puck, who spread love potions to all the lovers and create lot of problem. But at the end of the play, all is well, and Duke also gave permissions to the lovers. They can get married to each other. So very nice, interesting comedy and with happy ending, and lots of confusion over here. Maybe therefore it is very famous drama which is written by William Shakespeare. And now I would like to wrap up with this quotes. Whereas was I to this keen mockery born, when at your hands did I deserve his scorn? It's not enough, young man, that I did never know, nor ever can deserve a sweet look from Demetrius' eye, but you must flout my insufficiency. So, what do you mean by this poem? What do you mean by these lines? These lines very important in this play, and we need to understand the meaning of these lines. Helena expressed shock and shame when Lysander suddenly proclaims his love to her, because she is not expecting the love from the side of Lysander, because she loves to someone else, Demetrius. So she's feeling a great kind of confusion, a shock, a shame, and then she desired that okay, he is doing affection and turn off event as further mockery. Insufficiency over here is an inability to take the look of Lysander, in which way he is looking at her. She is not able to understand. That's why insufficiency word has been used. Very beautiful line, and with great essence of the drama, so we can understand that. And then we have all these characters and fun. So I hope this lesson will definitely very rewarding to all of you. I hope you would like it. Thanks for watching.